Welcome to the breathtaking hill station of Munnar, nestled in the western Ghats of Kerala. And hidden within this paradise lies the majestic Kolukkumalai, known for its stunning sunrise and picturesque landscapes. Today, we are going to take you on a journey through the rolling hills, lush green valleys, and serene beauty of Munnar and Kolukkumalai. As we embarked on our adventure, we celebrated the previous New Year's Eve in style at the County Camp 10 Resort. A word of caution to our viewers, avoid taking shortcuts as the road can be treacherous. Instead, sticking to the state highway, which is well maintained and offers scenic views of the surrounding landscape. As we journeyed on, we chanced upon the majestic Kallarkutti Dam, which was draining its waters for maintenance purposes. This dam is a marvel of engineering, built across the Periyar River and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. The dam's reservoir is a popular spot for boating and fishing, and its tranquil surroundings make it an ideal spot for relaxation. On our way to Munnar, we stumble upon a picturesque paddy field that stole our hearts. The golden hues of the ripening paddy set against the backdrop of the rolling hills was a sight to behold. This place truly showcases a different face of Munnar, one that's serene, peaceful, and utterly captivating. After navigating through the winding roads, we finally reached Suryanathi town and made our way to the County Camp Resort. As we settled into our tents, we were greeted by the chilling temperature of Munnar, which only added to the excitement of our camping experience. Under the star-studded canvas above, the night unfolded in perfect harmony, every moment a delight, every breath a joy. The resort team had planned a DJ party to kick off the New Year's celebrations, and we were treated to a night of music, dance, and merriment. The resort also provided us with delicious meals including roasted chicken and cakes. And the toilet facilities, although basic, were kept neat and clean. But the highlight of our trip was yet to come. Due to the hangover of our New Year celebrations, we missed the breathtaking sunrise at Kolukkumalai. However, we stumbled upon a hidden trekking spot near the resort, which turned out to be a hidden gem. The trek was around 2.5 km from the resort, and the scenic views, lush green forests, and tranquil surroundings made it an unforgettable experience. I was initially disappointed to have missed the Kolukkumalai sunrise, but this hidden spot more than made up for it. Trust me, you won't want to miss this trekking spot. So, if you are planning a trip to Munnar and Kolukkumalai, make sure to add the County Camp Resort and this hidden trekking spot to your itinerary. The contact details of the resort will be added in the description box below. The sun's rays paint an ethereal masterpiece on the earth, as if the heavens themselves were artfully arranging the colors of dawn. The night winds howled like a gentle giant, whispering secrets to the darkness, yet the tent stood steadfast, a cozy sanctuary. As we reached the trekking spot, the majestic Matupati Dam reservoir unfolds like a shimmering canvas reflecting the sky's majesty. The winds whisper secrets through the hills, carrying the whispers of nature's ancient tales. The tent's premium quality was a haven, insulating us from the outside world and enveloping us in a cool, serene ambience, much like an air conditioned retreat. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs and adventures.